Hello everyone, my name is Arna Singh and I'm going to demonstrate the working of my chatbot. So here's my code. I have saved all my files in the folder named chat PDF, and now in my terminal I'm going to select command prompt. I have already created my virtual environment variable named myenv, so I'm just going to activate my environment using my env slash scripts slash activate. And now after activating my virtual environment, I'm going to run my application file using streamlit run app.py. So here's my chat streamlit app is opening. Title is chat with Jessup scalar corpus. Just wait for a moment, and as soon as we get my ready to answer, we can start with our conversation. So let me ask the question from the sample question answer. Suppose what makes Jessup scalar testing room unique in Yountville? So see, Jessup scalar is unique as compared to other testing room in Yountville due to its focus on the relationship between wine, art and wine, and etc. And now if I want to ask, like, are dogs allowed there? I haven't mentioned name Jessup scalar, but let's see. Due to my my chatbot is remembering my previous chat. From there it came to know that here I'm talking about Jessup scalar, even though I haven't mentioned in the question. Now if one more question, like can you tell me about your 2022 Chardonnay? So I'm just copying it, and see about the Chardonnay, it is giving the answer. And if I ask something that is not mentioned in the corpus, say tell me about your purple wine, purple purple wine. So let's see. So if there is it is responding with, we don't have answer to this question, kindly contact the business. So, and one more thing, here in the backend we are getting the response time, the time taken by the chatbot to answer our query. So this is all. Thank you.